I'm tired of this monstrosity. What's going on, everybody? You're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and we are in the car, and we are going to be putting in the window that should have been there and the side panel. Thank you very much, Auto Shop. I'm never going to let that down, but we're going to go ahead and put this all back together and make it a much better interior here. We'll actually have a window, it'll be waterproof, and it's going to look great. That much closer to be looking like a full-blown exotic Jaguar. So, let's go ahead, get started. As you can see right here, my buddy hooked me up, came through for me. He came all the way from Pittsburgh to where I live, and he dropped off the panel for it from the shop. That's supposed to be on there anyways. And then we have my, this is my office for right now. We have the glass right here. Everything is perfect. We have the pieces that go back in for the door sills. We have this piece that goes inside the door sill, the screws and bolts as well. The only thing we have to really wonder about is the little gears that come off of there. And so they go, I'll show you. Now these gears here, and we have to put them right here and then here. Yeah, I mean, it seems kind of complicated, but it's not too bad. I saw an eBay image, so let's go ahead and review what we're doing. So check it out, I had to find an image on eBay, but you can see right there what it's gonna look like. So like I said, let's go on the outside. This is over on the right. And then you're gonna have, so then we have here, that's on the left for the way by the door handle. And again, you're just gonna have the gear sitting right there. I don't know actually how the gear connects to stuff, but it's there. So we're gonna put it together and see what happens.
I'd set the film like this.
Let's go over here. So right in there, this is what's gonna happen. So the front is gonna have the gear on the front. We're gonna put the glass in first, then we're gonna go ahead and kind of line it up right there. That's kind of how it goes. You go to the other side, do the same thing. On the outside, you're gonna have the gear, middle, glass, and then put some screws in, and then it should be set to go. That's the hope and the plan. Now, we have, of course, your cable right here for your door. Got their plugs, and we got some more door plugs for the panel also. And then we're gonna have some trim pieces that we need to slide back into place here, and then one over on this side too. So what I'm gonna do first is get these gears out. It looks like the rest of the screws are gonna go around the perimeter here. Got glass. Good. Flow, nice and easy. Slide in place. Get it through here. Alright, front one is in, just clicked into place. You'll be able to tell when it's in place because it'll kind of snap and click into place, so this is good. Take one of your gears, you'll go ahead, reach up, find that hole there, and go ahead, spin this in. Alright, hey man, you don't want to go too tight. Do the same thing over here. Oh, haha. Let's put this in first. Okay. Oh, there we go. Won't deny it. A little bit easier than I really expected, but the thing is, I planned ahead. Planning ahead, it works great because I saw those images, I knew where those gears had to go, and that made things a lot easier. I thought it had some kind of mechanism I had to go like this and wind everything up, but no. Everything's in place though, and the whole mechanism for going up and down is set. But, be sure, we gotta test this. So, got the beautiful panel right here. So, let's go ahead and just connect it. Power engaged. Alright. Ready? Ah! Careful. Let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna put the seals and gaskets right in here. So the good news is that this thing is just slide in and play. So this angled part right here is just gonna slide in first. And go right on the outside here. Real nice and fancy. Should be able to run it right along the glass, nice and smooth. And at the top, maybe a little convincing push down. Ow, ow. Look right here, there's a little ridge right there. This has to be like ever so slightly out. So this is fine like this, but on the other side it's ever so slightly out, very slight. But you just kind of slide it in, and then you want to push down right here, and then you'll be good. So let's go ahead. This one's got the rubber on this side too, so it's gonna go on this end here. I feel better about myself if I slide it in, so I'm just gonna do that. There we go. Kind of clicks. Yes. Little plastic pieces, just gotta push in. Got a little yellow, well, white rivet down here. It goes in nicely too. Top two. Tuck this foam piece right here into the other one. Keep moving on here. We're gonna go into inside here. Make sure all the cables are connected that need to be connected, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the backing panel right here. Now this mysterious cable, you're wondering where it goes? Well, let me show you. If you kind of have to troubleshoot here, it's like, okay, it's this much length. Where could it possibly go? And where did these clips actually clip into? So there's nothing up here, down here, here, so it has to go this way maybe? So if you look all the way back here, go away, and voila, there it is. It's on the locking mechanism for the door. So if it's right in there, let's see if we can pop these things. I think it goes right here. Yeah, oh, it goes here. Oh, there we go. Okay, nice. Let's get back together. Cool, cool. All right, now I need this bottom black trim piece that goes right into here. Might be missing one or two things. I think so. Let me make sure though. Go ahead, line it up. Yep, give me something on the top. I'm missing one screw. All right, it's time to zip this in place. Of course, the gas side goes on there. I'm gonna slip this through your actual handle. And a tight squeeze right there. We can kind of see what a groove is, where it sits usually. Excellent. Okay, now I got my Torx. I got my screws right here. And size is T27. All right, good start. I didn't go in. We're gonna go too tight. I'm gonna get them all in place. Go around by hand too, probably. All right, we got them all in, and we got one left. We're all the way up here. Make sure this is routed correctly. This big clip is gonna go right down there. Interesting placeholders. So I think you push them on. Yeah, look at that. Nice and taut. Nice and taut. And this cable is gonna plug right into the bottom of this, some sort of sensor. Probably should get this lined up so we can get this door handle lever back into place. It's gonna be right here. This is where it looks like it's gonna be. Slide in, twist and slide, boom. Beautiful, love that. You pull that, you pull it back just like so. Should be able to sit right in there. Let's make sure official. Should be a groove. Yep, there's a groove. There we go. Lovely, lovely. Okay, we are pretty much there. Nice. That's in place. Then start lining everything up. There we go. Coming together, people. It's coming together. This is exciting. I know most people won't like this part, but gotta give it a couple whacks. We will go on these two screws. I'm gonna be on the lookout for them. I can put the cover in, but once I go through all this stuff again, see anything left over, that's where I'm heading to. That's where the screw's gonna go. Oh, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, it's a real door. It's a door. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Almost finished. We got one other thing to do. That's right, over here. All right. It's a door, so first we gotta make sure it actually works like a door. Ah, ooh. Oh, yes. Yes, beautiful. Oh, it's a little jiggly because I'm the screw in. Oh, that popped out too. Alright, see what she does. Yes! Yes! Oh, lumbar, very nice. Ha ha ha! Lock? Yes. Unlock. Perfect. Excellent. Window. Okay, let's test it. Window. Oh, yeah. Put it down. Express. Boom. Express up. Nope. I should be able to. I have to recalibrate it. Does this work? It does indeed. Ah, yes. The window went down too. Perfect. I'm very pleased with this. Oh, this is all getting popped out of place here. I think it's going to actually, it needs to go into the rubber here. I'm just kind of shocked right now. It's actually, like, it's there. The door is done. It looks so good. It's just a door. But I think we should try clean this up. So let's get the air compressor gun here. Get all this nastiness out of here. Ooh, nice. Oh wait, just went in the interior. Crap. Oh, we're not complete until this plastic wrap is off. Oh. Plastic wrap is gone! This is just beautiful, everybody. Look, oh, wow, look at this. Just, this car is coming together. It's coming back together. Ah, beautiful. It opens right up. There we go. Much nicer, much cleaner, much better. And water sealed. No more rain or garbage gonna get in there. And, look at that. The window is perfectly aligned, goes up and down. The plastic is off the side here. The interior panel is back on the door as well. This makes it look like a whole different car right now. And we are well on our way to the end of November when my birthday is. I am super excited for this to be one of my major gifts to myself. But guys, what do you think of today's video? Man, if you have any questions about it, go ahead and leave some comments down below to talk about it, help you guys out with any questions you might have with putting this whole thing back together. And make sure you leave a thumbs up there in case you like this video. And also make sure you subscribe for more content quite like this and more as we continue to finish on with this Jag. But guys, thank you so much for watching. This is GTSam. I'm gonna catch you next time.